Hey guys, so before you go on that skincare routine you want to start, or before you jump on getting a product to add to your skincare routine because you're going through acne and you're having breakouts, whether it's mild or severe, and you want to get rid of it by all means, then you think like getting a plethora of products is what works. These are the hacks you need to know, and these are based on facts. Number one, expensive is never effective, does not equate to how a product is effective. So that a product is new in the market, whether it's Korean, Chinese, Swahili, whatever it is, that a product is new in the market and you want to jump in on it because all of these skincare products are singing its praises, skincare bloggers rather, are singing its praises, and you think it's the holiest grail you're about to get, then the little money you're saving to do some other stuff with it, you decide to go on a splurge. Well, it might not work. Most times it doesn't work, you get disappointed. Expensive, again, is not effective. If you have a product that is cheap and works, stick to it. Because let me tell you, a lot of products are cheap, yet effective. Secondly, stop jumping from one skincare hype to another, one new product to another. Today is Anua, tomorrow is Skin 1004, next tomorrow is this, that. It's not going to help you. Because the one thing with skincare and getting a good skin, I've realized, is consistency. If you are consistent, I promise you, you're going to get it. Your skin is going to be flawless one day. But you got to be consistent. And let me tell you, you cannot know how much a product is effective on your skin by just using it for 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Nah, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. You have to give it time, at least a month. In fact, to some people, it depends on the severity of your acne or problematic skin. To some people, it takes as long as 3 months. I'm serious. It takes as long as 3 months to see that it is getting better, or the product is working. Because when you have very severe acne or scarring or hyperpigmentation, the said product has to start working from within and work its way up. So the time it takes to work from within, from layer to layer of your skin, might be up to 3 months or even more. So you got to give it time. But the thing with it is, the clue to it, or the trick with it is, you will notice that there is a little difference. You know your skin, you know how bad it is. You're going to notice that there is a little difference in your skin. So once you see a little ray of hope, don't you change it. Don't you stop it. Keep using it. It means it's going to work eventually. It works for me a lot of times. And that's how I was able to get rid of my acne. And I'm getting rid of the hyperpigmentation I have. It's just a little bit left. Because I've really realized that I'm not going to be jumping on from one product to another. The only reason I'll move to a product is if I've given it a long time, I've given a certain product a long time to prove itself and it's not doing it, then I'm going to just drop it and move to another one. But I'm not going to keep jumping from one product to another in quick successions. Thirdly, as we age, once you hit 25 upwards 30, your skin starts losing its collagen, elasticity, and whatever puts it together and keeps it supple and young looking. It starts losing that naturally. It's just a natural phenomenon. The thing with it is, that's why you need to give the product time. So your target when you start hitting certain age is to try to get your skin to get back those ingredients it's losing. It is losing. Let your skin get it back. So your focus should be on natural, focus rather should be on target ingredients, should be on keeping your skin moisturized, should be on keeping your pores clean, should be on protecting your skin from the UV rays, should be on vitamin C to brighten your skin, not harsh chemicals, should be on gentle products. Very gentle products, right? And another point is what works for A might not work for B. Find what works for you. I know you might be wondering, okay, what works for me? Find it. When you use a product, if your skin is the acne prone skin, then you should stay away from whatever will trigger the skin. What you should do is find your way into the hands of gentility. So what you want to do is get products that are quite gentle, not aggressive on the skin. Gentle. Get products that don't clog your pores. Get products that don't make your skin very oily, right? Get products like that. If you have a very sensitive skin, get products that are mild, not aggressive. Don't do abrasives. Do chemical exfoliants. Yes, that's another thing. And be consistent. In fact, I just feel like skincare brands should write consistency as one of their ingredients. I'm telling you, I just feel like so, because the way people be trying to get their skin to be better and trying to get it in 1 week beats my imagination. Like, what the hell? You are damn 30, 30 plus, 20 something, late 20s, and you want to what? Get your skin to be better in 1 week? Girl, bye. The thing with it is, be consistent, be patient. Nothing teaches you patience like that problematic skin and the fact that you need to get rid of it, because you cannot be changing products. Has never worked, will never work. Be patient and you're gonna get there. Tell me what you think about this. If you have more rules to follow when trying to get a glowy skin, a nice skin, and get rid of the problems on your skin, please drop it in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.